Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best in the world of creative play, Crazy Arons Thinking Putty, specifically the Intergalactic Triple Color Changing Putty. If you're looking for a fun, stress-relieving, and endlessly creative toy, this might just be the perfect pick for you. Crazy Arons Thinking Putty is not your average putty. It's handcrafted with care right here in the USA, using high-quality, non-toxic silicone materials that ensure the putty never dries out. This means you can stretch, bounce, mold, and shape it over and over again without worrying about it losing its softness or flexibility. The Intergalactic version is particularly special because it changes colors, not just one or two, but triple color changing. It reacts to temperature and light, revealing vibrant hues that make it mesmerizing to watch and play with. The putty comes in a compact 4-inch tin, which is perfect for keeping it fresh and portable. At about 3.2 ounces, it's the right size for kids and adults alike. Whether you want a moment of mindfulness at work or a creative outlet during your downtime, this putty fits right in your pocket or desk drawer. Plus, it's designed to be safe for kids ages 3 and up, making it a great gift for family members of all ages. What sets Crazy Arons Thinking Putty apart from other putties on the market is its unique blend of science and art. It was developed by Crazy Aron himself, an innovator who transformed a traditional putty formula into something extraordinary. The company employs exceptional individuals, including those with disabilities, to handcraft these products with exceptional care and dedication. This adds a beautiful layer of meaning to every tin of putty you purchase. Playing with Thinking Putty isn't just fun, it's a great tool for stress relief and sensory therapy. The texture is soft and smooth, and it responds to your touch in ways that feel almost magical, stretching slowly when pulled, snapping when twisted, and bouncing when dropped. The color-changing effect adds an extra sensory dimension that captures your attention and creativity. Kids love watching the colors shift from cool purples to deep blues and shimmering greens, while adults often find the tactile experience calming during stressful moments. This putty is incredibly versatile. You can sculpt it into shapes, pop it like a bubble, or even use it to strengthen your hand muscles. It's a perfect desk companion, offering a satisfying tactile distraction when you need a mental break. And since it never dries out, you can keep coming back to it time and time again without losing any of its qualities. For collectors, Crazy Arons Thinking Putty offers a wide variety of unique editions, but the Intergalactic is a standout for anyone who loves the cosmos or the wonder of color-changing toys. The craftsmanship, combined with the interactive play experience, makes this putty more than just a toy. It's a mini work of art and a creative outlet rolled into one. So, if you're ready to add a little magic to your day or find a creative stress relief tool that works for all ages, Crazy Arons Intergalactic Thinking Putty is a fantastic choice. It's high quality, safe, endlessly entertaining, and made with care. Check it out and let your imagination run wild. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews and product insights.